State your name for the record, Mr. Lemon the third.
Yes, I am Harrison Lamont Bay, all lowercase letters. And I'm here on behalf of Harrison Lamont the third.
Well, I've never heard of the all lowercase letters. What does that mean?
It means that the name is to be spelled with all lowercase letters, not all capital letters, not part capital and lowercase, strictly all lowercase.
What it look like TV, we are back. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We got another court video for you. If you want to see this full video, go to Old Squishy's Garden official court watch. Go to his channel, check it out. You can see the full video there, but we're just going to check out a little short clip right here. And this is what this whole sovereignty and your name is in all capital letters, so you're a corporation and you don't have to pay taxes if you do this and you do that. This is where all that talk lands. All that BS talk that you hear that people, you know, that's talk about the fine line and you can do this and you could be an entity and you could be tax exempt and this, that, and the other. When you show up to court and you try to run that game, this is what happens. Let's check out this case out of Detroit and see how it turned out for my man.
I believe, state your name for the record, Mr. Lemon the third.
Yes, I am Harrison Lamont Bay, all lowercase letters. And I'm here on behalf of Harrison Lamont the third.
All right. Well, I've never heard of the all lowercase letters. What does that mean?
It means that the name is to be spelled with all lowercase letters, not all capital letters, not part capital and lowercase, strictly all lowercase.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. How do you want to proceed, sir? I know you filed some documents with the court, and I did have those up in my chambers, but how do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, I'm the surety on behalf of the principal debtor, strawman Harrison Lamont III. I've given the court notice weeks in advance. I'm here to tender a special deposit to the court and make the clerk fiduciary, the prosecutor, as well. And I'm looking for a plea of release today. Will you grant a plea to release?
No. I can grant you a pre.
This is what going down the YouTube wormhole. This is what it gets you. When you believe all this, you don't have to pay taxes. Your name is in all capital letters on your birth certificate, so that means that you're a corporation and you've been sold and you don't even know it. And come on, man. Come on, man. Everybody gotta pay Caesar. Now he up in court and he looking like a total idiot because nobody in the courtroom is on this wave that he's on but himself. Nobody, the judge hasn't even heard of the dumb stuff that he's talking about.
Trial, I can grant you the opportunity to speak with the city attorney, or I can grant you a trial date by judge or by jury.
Yeah. So
what would you like to do, Mr. Lemon Bay?
Well, you mind if I ask a couple of questions? Just want to make sure that I'm comprehending it.
Yes.
You may.
All right. So, as you gave the name, I heard you mention a few different names. I heard you mention Harrison Lamont Bay the third, and then a Harrison Lamont the second.
They're all you.
Different names. I just want to make sure that I'm clear on who or what it is that we're here to discuss, because I don't want to speak on behalf of
It does have an error. It does have an error. It appears to be an error on the computer here. So entry, one of the counts was entered into as, one count was entered into as Harris Lemon III, the other count was Harris Lemon II, and the other count was entered Harris III Lemon. So I think that's just a typo. There's the nature of the offenses. There's the misdemeanor.
Now he want to play. He want to play the catch-22 game.
Valid operator's license, no ops on person, and that is a 93-day punishable by a maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. And you have 2 civil infractions, one expired plates, and the other one speeding at 16 to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. So
he up in here, guilty than a mug, trying to play the sovereignty game.
By taking the better driver's course, sir. I'm gonna put that in the chat if you choose to. And I can give you time to do that. If not, you can set it for a trial date or whatever set it for a trial date or speak with the city attorney today. What would you like to do?
I'm really, again, I'm ultimately I'm here to tender special deposit and settle the charges. You know, make the clerk fiduciary.
Well, you settle it by pleading to one. Those are your only options, sir.
He like, I don't want to hear it, man.
I'm looking for a plea release. Are you stating that there's no offer of equity in this matter, Your Honor?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna move on. So I don't know what
yeah, I ain't playing with you.
Would you like to speak to an attorney? Would you like to speak to an attorney, sir?
I don't. I'm not asking for counsel.
Okay.
You need some counsel, man.
We're gonna pass the matter and we're gonna move on, and he can just watch and see how it works in here. Because I have too many people that are waiting that want to be heard and hear their claim, and I don't understand what you're saying. I've given you your options, and you can sit back and ponder those.
This is what that gets you, man. Watch closely, y'all. Everybody that's out here following these fake gurus and thinking that you're going to get up in court and you're going to throw out all these weird facts and things are going to go your way and you're going to be sovereign. It's not going to work that way. It's not going to work like it worked on Instagram. It's not going to work like that YouTube video that you saw. You're going to be on the hook for whatever you did. And this guy right here has to be a little bit special because it sounds to me like you caused a bad accident driving a vehicle that wasn't insured with no license, no anything. And instead of coming to court trying to look for some leniency from the court, you come to the court trying to play the court with these stupid mind games. Now the court's going to do nothing but throw you under the bus, and rightfully so, because you're up in here and you're playing games and you're wasting people's time. So whatever you get from the judge, you get, man, and you basically you earned it.
Other than that, sir, I don't know what else to tell you. All right, let's move on. Next time. No, I've already answered the questions I'm going to answer. No, please mute your.
He like, I'm not even going to play these games.
You either take the offers that I've given you, speak with the attorney, or take the deal, or set them out. June the 2nd. We should do this in the afternoons, bro.
Yeah, he want to get him right in, and we're going to get you right in, man. We're going to handle this dumb stuff right away.
So your next court date is going to be a final pretrial, sir?
Going to handle this one right away, buddy.
Final pretrial will be June the 1st, 6/1/2023 at 8:30. And then we'll set the jury trial date for the next day. We'll set it at 2:30. All right, we'll have you at 9:30 on June the 2nd. So your next action date that you need to appear is June the 1st at 8:30. And then the next day, we'll have the jury trial at June the 2nd, 2023. I have received your motions. If you have any more motions, make sure they're in before the June the 1st date. And then we'll proceed with picking a jury, setting a jury panel at 9:30 on June the 2nd. If you don't have any further questions, Mr. Lemon Bay, then have a very good day, sir, all right? Good luck to you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
There it is, my man up in court. He gonna have to pay that tag. That's what all this is coming down to. He threw his best little attempt. Now he gonna have a jury trial. Might work out in his favor, might not, but he didn't even take the time to see what little package he could have got before he got to the jury trial. So he did screw himself in that fact. You were supposed to check and see what they was at least going to offer you first before you went there, but he didn't have a chance to do that because he was so busy trying to sell some BS, some spell my name in all lowercase letters. Once you go up in court and you start with that, all help is gone, fam. You're standing on an island by yourself. But y'all tell me what y'all thought about that, idiot. Y'all tell me what y'all think about sovereignty and all these people telling you that you can get around paying taxes and all this extra stuff, and you can get all these lines of credit for free and all this hope and dream stuff. To me, that seems like eventually it's just gonna catch up to me. But y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. If you done made it to this point in the video and you still with me, you are my MVP.
It was a stone groove, my man.
I'm out of here.